Alright guys, so here's a trick I'm going to show you. If you ever have a spring that's pretty tight, you want to loosen it. This is a trick that I do all the time. I take a piece of rope, tie a knot in it really tight, and then I usually use this ratchet because it's nice and smooth and usually around the correct length that I want. So I'll just feed it through that rope, and then I can easily pull the tension of this spring and even put it back on really easily. And sometimes a more advanced thing you can do is use that ratchet or whatever tool you're using. You can use it to pry and get more leverage. So right now I'm wrapping the rope around this ratchet to shorten up the distance. I'm going to hook it into that spring right there, and I use that bar above me there to use it for leverage. And I don't have quite enough, so I'm going to take it off of here and I'm going to loop it around the ratchet one more time to shorten up that rope, and that'll give me the leverage I need to easily remove this spring. Hope you liked the video. Hope this helps you guys out. Subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this coming soon. Thanks for watching.